Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm really excited. We are going to talk about how to make $1,000 a week with flipping domains. Yes, it is for real, and you can make a lot of money with domain flipping. So if you are interested in earning $1,000 a week or up to $100,000 in a year or even in one day, yes, it is possible. Stay tuned and watch this entire video. Hi guys, I am Chavi, the owner of Mrs. Daku Studio, a blog where we talk all about making money online and working from home. If you haven't already, do not forget to hit the red icon below and subscribe to our channel. If you want to get notified as and when a new video is uploaded and you do not want to miss out on any of the job leads or work from home options that we regularly talk about on our channel, do not forget to hit the bell icon below. So let's get started. Let's get straight to the point. You can make $1,000 a week with domain flipping. In fact, there are people who make more than $100,000 flipping domain names. To give you an example, strength.com was sold on Flippa for $300,000. Similarly, carinsurance.com was sold at $49 million. Yes, that's true. You can Google it and check it up for yourself. Other examples would be toys.com, slots.com, shoes.com, etc. Majorly anything that is one-worded and can represent what the website is about. So for example, shoes.com tells you that the website is about shoes. Toys.com tells you that the website is about toys. Businesses can use these domain names and sell their products easily. So if you want to make money with domain flipping business, all you gotta do is to buy domains and sell them to brands and businesses. While it may sound extremely simple and easy, you really need to invest some time in understanding this business. Because if you don't, you can lose money. You need to do it properly if you want to make $1,000 per week flipping domain or even $100,000 by flipping one domain. So let's look at Flippa once and see what kind of domain names are being flipped at a higher price. So this is the home page of Flippa. Oh, sorry, it is not the home page. So you can go to Flippa, click on domain, and click on domains. So see, this is the editor's choice. So buckinghampalace.net, puppydog.com is selling for $10,000. Smart Speaker is selling for $500. Hoteldeal.com, which is an amazing domain name, is selling for $10,000. So cashbackcards.com is selling for $5,000. French2English.com is selling for $74. Local Entrepreneur $325. Family Experts $300. You get my point, right? I'm showing you this because I want to tell you and show you that you can legitimately make $1,000 a week with domain flipping. There is a lot of potential in this business. So before we go on to talk about how to do it and what is involved in domain flipping, let's talk a little bit about what is flipping. So flipping is a simple idea. It means buying something at a lower price and then selling it at a higher price. So as a result, you can earn a profit. So sometimes people buy it for $1 and $2 and sell it for $300, $400. So if you are lucky and you can find a domain name that is worth that much, it's valuable, you can actually make money easily with domain flipping. So where can you buy a domain? If you are looking to buy a new domain, if you have an idea or if you know a word that is not been taken, you can buy it from Namecheap. You can go to domain here. You can search and find your name. Let's say that you want to makemoney.com. So well, makemoney.com is already taken. We will have to look at something else. Mortgage money. So see, mortgage money is available. It is a premium domain and you can buy it at $20,000 from Namecheap. So if you get an idea like this, which is not a premium domain yet, nobody has come up with it, you can actually buy it for a dollar or maybe $10 a year and sell it for as much as 20,000 or more. You can buy a domain from Bluehost, you can buy a domain from GoDaddy, whatever you like. So where can you sell your domain names? There are a lot of different domain name marketplaces or websites which you can use to sell your domain names and make a profit. Flippa is one of the top websites. We already looked at Flippa, and it is one of the biggest domain brokers in the world. So there is one reason why I recommend Flippa. It is because it is visited by thousands of genuine sellers and buyers on a daily basis. Of course, there are a lot of other websites. I'm not going to be talking about them. I'm going to be talking about Flippa and one more. But there are so many websites that do this that can help you sell your domain name. But Flippa is one of the best marketplaces to sell because there are high number of visitors that come here. There are high number of genuine buyers that come on this website to buy a domain name. There are so many amazing domain names sold at Flippa at this point in time. We already went through a few of them, and you can see there are a lot more. You can click on see all. So if you want to sell domain names on Flippa or even buy a domain name on Flippa, you will have to sign up with them. It is only after you sign up that you can communicate directly with the buyers and other domain sellers. You'll be able to bid and make offers on domains and add domains to your watch list. So when I say that you can be in communication with other domain sellers, you can also buy domain names from Flippa. So for example, you can buy geomeds. For example, you can buy polluted.net. If you're already making money, you can actually buy smart speaker and sell it for much higher than $500. French to English is a good bet. The next website that I want to talk about is the Brand Bucket. Now, Brand Bucket is a little different from Flippa because most of the domains that are available on Brand Bucket are premium domains and are sold with a logo. So you can see that there is unshop.com, there is Lush Side, there is Special Ace, Two Sweets, Super Drip, etc. The selling price of most of these domains will be well over $1,500. So this is $2,795. This is $1,915. You can see that these domains come with a premium logo and it is already branded. So if you are ready to put in a little bit work on your domain name, create a basic website and create an amazing logo, then you can make money with domain flipping easily. So let's talk about a few tips that will help you. First is always accept bids and offers in good faith. If you don't want to sell the property, do not accept any bids or offers at all. Because remember, if you're selling it and your reserved price is met, you're obligated to sell it to the bidder. You do not want to deny it, you'll be legally obligated to sell it to them. You will find hundreds of domains listed on these marketplaces. So you'll have to do your own research and see if the domain is right for you, if the domain is worth selling online, if the domain can fetch you a lot of money, if the domain can make at least the double of what you've invested in it. You'll have to judge it for yourself. You have to judge the quality of a domain and its value. And with time, you'll get a hang of it. My second tip is to try for one-word keywords. So for example, insurance.com or shoes.com, toys.com, etc. These kind of keywords are paid high. But you need to ensure that this one-worded keywords or two-word domain names are keyworded. And by keyworded, I mean that they need to tell you what the business is all about. So I already told you that toys.com tells you that it is about toys. Shoes.com tells you about shoes. So if you can get domains.com, you know that it's for domains. If you want to create a website and sell, you can have domains for sale.com, and everybody would know that what you get on this website is domains for sale. So try to keep it as short as possible and always under 10 to 15 characters. 15 is still longer, so try to make it below 10. If you do not find any one-word keywords, you can try with 2, but keep it short. Keep it easy to remember. because nobody wants to build a business around a domain name that is difficult to remember or difficult to sell, or it is so long that people forget. You want a memorable brand. The last one is that always consider a .com first, because businesses are providing services and products worldwide, and they always want .com first. It is more legitimate, it is more professional. However, if you do want to sell it to a particular country, you can have a country specific domain name like .co.in for India or .co.uk for UK, anything that you like. You will need to judge the value of a domain. This is very important in any domain flipping business. And if you want to make $1,000 with flipping domain, you need to be very careful about it. Because if you can't judge the right value, you may lose money. You may sell domains at a cheaper price than it should be, or even cheaper price than you have bought it for. You need to know that the real value of the domain lies in the number of backlinks it has, or the relevancy and the quality of these backlinks. So what are backlinks? Backlinks are basically when a authoritative or a credible website links back to your website. A link back to your domain in this case. It is basically sending a signal to all the search engines, especially Google, that this domain is worthy and this domain is credible to be ranked and send traffic to. So whoever has this domain will be able to rank higher. And this is a major selling point when it comes to domain flipping. If you're going to purchase an expired domain, you need to make sure that you purchase quality domains. And to know the backlinks, to know the domain authority, you can install the Moz toolbar. I'm going to link it in the description box below. The last tip that I want to give you is to make sure that the description that you write for your domain name is interesting and it has all the information that a buyer is looking for. You also need to highlight all the features and special characteristics of the domain. So if it has quality backlinks or if it has backlinks from credible websites, you need to mention that. You need to sell it. So you need to write a description in a way which convinces the other person to buy it, especially by highlighting why the domain that you have is so awesome. It's not very difficult to write a good description. So what you can do is to look at the description of domains that are selling for more than $10,000 and see what they have done and replicate it for your own domain. There you go. That is all about how to make $1,000 a week with domain flipping and how you can carry out an entire domain flipping business and earn a lot of money working from home. It is one of the best passive income idea that there is. It has great potential and it is one of my favorite ways of making money online. If you like the video, do not forget to share it with your friends and family. Hit the red icon below and subscribe to our channel. If there are any questions or if you want me to cover anything specific, do not forget to comment below and let me know. That is all for today, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.